Ratchet children looking in again. There's Michael. He's already banged the window. There you go again. That's Michael. Waiting for more action and activity. I just heard the front door. This is constant. This is every day. This is TPI Properties, TPI Management, Graystar Properties. Bay wants non-security. This is every day, all day, up to 50 times a day, documented. And what does management do about it? Absolutely nothing. What does APT do about it? Absolutely nothing. These are unsupervised kids, most of them under 6 years old, running the streets 12, 15 hours a day. Nobody does anything about it. They're free to roam around and cause mayhem and vandalism without any repercussions whatsoever.